If you would like to apply for financial aid, there is one free application that will allow you to apply for most types of student aid. The FAFSA, or Free Application for Federal Student Aid, allows you to complete one application to apply for all types of federal, state, and even institutional aid. You should submit a new FAFSA application as close to October 1st as possible each year. If you are a Tulsa Achieves or Oklahoma's Promise student, you are also required to submit a FAFSA each academic year. The FAFSA application can be submitted at studentaid.gov. You can also submit a FAFSA through the My Student Aid app available for Apple and Android. Students must create an FSA ID in order to sign the FAFSA. Students who are required to list parent information on the FAFSA must also have a parent sign the FAFSA. To create your FSA ID, create an account at studentaid.gov. You can also create your ID at fsaid.ed.gov. Parents of a dependent student should create their FSA ID on fsaid.ed.gov. To complete your FAFSA, you will need to have certain information available, including Social Security numbers, your alien registration number if you are not a U.S. citizen, and income information. Some students are required to add parent information to the FAFSA and to have a parent sign the FAFSA. The Dependency Status tab on the FAFSA will help you understand whether you are required to list parent information. If you feel you have extenuating circumstances that will keep you from providing parent information, speak to the Financial Aid Office. To make completing the FAFSA easier, students and parents who file taxes can take advantage of the IRS data retrieval tool. This securely transfers the needed income information directly from the IRS. To use the IRS data transfer, simply select that option. For your protection, your tax return information will not display on either the IRS website or on the FAFSA. After filling out the requested identity and verification information, transfer the tax information into the FAFSA. When your FAFSA is complete, you must agree to the terms and conditions, sign it using your FSA ID, and click the Submit My FAFSA Now button. If you are required to provide parent information, a parent will need to sign the FAFSA as well. Once you submit the FAFSA, the school should receive it in 3 to 5 business days. Some students will be required to submit additional documentation to the school. It is important to follow up with the Financial Aid Office to determine what additional steps you might be required to take. Your financial aid dashboard will show you whether TCC has received your FAFSA and if you have any additional requirements that must be fulfilled. Each requirement will have a set of instructions, so be sure to read everything carefully. If you need assistance, please reach out for help. TCC has many ways to receive assistance, including email, phone, and Zoom chats.